Hey everybody, it is Jess at Summit RV. I'm the marketing manager here, and I just wanted to go live and show you guys this brand new model that we just got in. This is the Jayco J Series Sport 10SD. This is a tent camper. Some people call it a fold down or a pop-up camper. This is something new we just got in. We've been out of stock on these for a while, and we've had a lot of customers requesting that we get these back in stock. They are very light and easy to put up. Once they're assembled, it's very simple every time that you put them up, and I just wanted to go live and show you what it looks like. This is completely redesigned for 2018. It has new graphics. It's got new interior. As you can see, the inside is very spacious. This model has no slide. As you can see here, it is really, really light. Can be towed by almost anything. You are going to be able to haul around 600 pounds of cargo in it as well. On top of your gross weight is going to be 2,400 pounds. So dry, this is going to weigh just a little less than 1,800 pounds. This tent camper comes with one 20-pound LP tank. It has the spare tire as well. We're going to go inside and check it out here. Now, this RV sleeps quite a few people. You've got a full-size bed on one end and a queen on the other. There are storage compartments in the cabinets underneath. You can also use these as seating space. A lot of customers will make their own cushions to put on top of these. There is a sink, a 2 cubic foot refrigerator, and a 2-burner cooktop, and you can actually detach this, and there is a mount for this cooktop on the outside of your RV, and it will hook right into your LP Quick Connect. The dinette also lays down to make a bed, so you can sleep 5 people in here. That's pretty much the max, but you can definitely sleep 5 people. Each bed has a fan with a light, and there are also curtains that close off each end that we don't have up yet. This cabinet right here is perfect for storing a porta potty. That's what a lot of people use it for. And you can sit the porta potty right up there and use it. And I will show you, this is the mount where your cooktop can come outside. So this is it, guys. This is the Jayco J Sport 10SD. It is super light. It can be towed by almost anything. It is perfect for somebody who's just wanting to start out camping in an RV. You can put bike racks on the front of it, the back of it, on top of it. We can add an air conditioner to it for you if you want. The furnace has already been installed, so it does have heat for those cold nights. If you guys have any questions or comments about this RV, please give us a call at 606-928-6795. We would love to help you with this, or show it to you in person. We are open Monday through Saturday. Monday through Fridays we close at 5:30, and on Saturdays we close at 5. I think this would make somebody a wonderful Christmas gift. I know I'd be really happy if I found this under my tree. So thank you guys for taking time to watch my video. And if you guys want to leave me a comment and let me know what models you would like to see. As you can see right now, we are getting the showroom filled up because it's starting to get cold. And if you want to shop for an RV, there is no better place to do it than in the heat. We usually have anywhere from 30 to 40 models in here. We try to put in all your favorite floor plans. So just leave me a comment and let me know what you guys want to see, and I would be happy to do a video on any floor plan that you want to see at any time. Thanks everybody.